Hi, we're back. It's the same day, just a little later. And before I continued with the book, I wanted to catch the other side of the exploration map. So on the other side is a map of Poland. It looks like the northern part. Of course, you want to be next to the water. You've got Berlin down here, Warsaw down here, and Kaliningrad up here. So the name is Pirates of the Vistula. So of course the Vistula is going to be on the map. Okay, getting back to the book. There. There's the cover. Get a good shot. And chapter 1. So this is going to be an overview of what it's like on water travel without any game mechanics, basic description, interesting sidebars. The next chapter, we'll just take a look here rather than guessing, is going to be the rules for playing Twilight 2000 on the water. You've got boat sizes corresponding over here. And then this kind of component damage table would be an expansion of the vehicle rules that are already in the basic game. Okay. Oh, and they have a complete example here with pictures. I don't think they've done that in the previous products. I think that's new. And right here, you can see how to take cover at different parts of the boat. This is a cover marker. And for whatever reason, these guys in red are not in cover. Okay. Water travel, this is going to be the more general movement on the larger map over here. Okay. Then you have a listing of boats probably corresponding to the counters over here. Watercraft weapons, a harpoon and a torpedo. Of course, there's probably a submarine in here too. Look at that. We've got military boats, US military, Soviet military here, then Polish military, and of course, Swedish military. Again, these guys served and probably know what they're talking about. NATO, what do we got here? We got the UK, DE, that is Germany, France. Water encounters. So this is probably going to be specific encounters that you would run with a game master. So the way I usually play Twilight 2000 is solo. It has an extensive solo mode, which the random encounter cards support. And these are going to be different. This is going to be encounters that you have to have a game master in order to run. Okay, I believe they call it a referee. Descriptions of the night and day symbols here again. And stationary. Of course, you shouldn't set a fire on your boat, but it just means that you're not traveling. And, oh, okay, this is a list of the specific encounters. So here you see the card, and then here's a little write-up for the referee. Look at that. And then each of the numbers of a card suit have their own meaning there. Maritime factions, okay. So I was mistaken before, those were random encounters. You can use those solo. And now they're building up to the adventures. And this is going to describe different factions in play, and then the next chapter, or maybe the one after that, should have the actual adventures. Pirates of the Vistula. These are from the original GDW product. I remember Baron Zarni from the old game. And what you got here in square brackets is a Swedish replacement. So this faction exists in either Poland or Sweden, depending on where you're playing your game, where you set your game. And the values in square brackets are for the Swedish version. Okay, US, Russia, the troop. We'll see what they are. I'll find out about them later. Marine plots. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, and the artwork does look very good in this product for these spreads. So again, Operation Reset is a larger plot that extends across multiple products. There we go. Boomer, that's probably the one with the submarine. And then there's a short one here, a couple of short ones. So pretty short plots overall compared to, say, the urban operations or the main book. Scenarios, here we go. These are your full-blown sites, probably, let's see, let me see if we have, oh, look at that. I don't think I have a map for that. So I'm not sure how you're supposed to incorporate that. And you looked, it doesn't have any kind of grid on it. There's no hex grid, so this could just be a referee-only map. Interesting. That's unusual. Usually they have a map over here, and then they have a way to correspond it in here. They have a reprint in the book. This one I don't see. Interesting. The Floating Village. Ooh, I have other ideas for that. I want to read that. Okay, so we have seen this one. So in addition, let's find it. In addition to what we have over here, there we go. So now, this is what you show the players, and then the referee knows what's on each boat here. Okay. Got simple write-ups, everybody. Castle, ooh, look at that. I'd like to find that. Okay, the main, looks like this is the submarine plot. And here's the location. Look at all that. So again, you've got the player copy that you can set out, and then the referee's version here in the book. Okay. Okay, nice. Oh. So the other one that we saw didn't have all this. All of this is new for the referee's eyes only. No satellite reconnaissance for your party. again, back to the appendices. First, we've got Poland with the Vistula. Okay, there it is. Oh, it doesn't even, it's not even on the map. Let's take a look at this, because Warsaw starts down here at the bottom of the map, and the Vistula, the journey from Krakow to Warsaw is in here. That's interesting. I wonder if I've missed a map, but I don't think so. I wonder how the referee's supposed to use that. Okay, and then we have Appendix 2, Sweden. Again, let's see. I'll have to do some research to see if there's connecting maps here, but this is different. There's Stockholm and Göteborg. Don't see any connecting cities on here. So I wonder how they intend for the referee to use this. Have to look into it, and I look forward to doing that. So here's the index page. Focuses on the proper nouns. And that's Hostile Waters. I very much look forward to studying it. Thanks for listening, and this has been Unboxing Saturday. Sorry we didn't have time to get to the Black Madonna, but it's still here. So we'll pick that up in a later broadcast. Thank you.